Learn what the professionals don't want you to know about treating acid reflux. Pushing your way through each day with acid reflux can seem not only intimidating but very tiresome. It is painful to boot. You may not realize that there are more things than you know of to help you push acid reflux out of your life. Focus on the tips and tricks that are discussed in this video, and you can surely find a way out. Chew your food. The more you chew your food, the less work your stomach will have to do. This also slows down the rate at which you are eating, which allows your stomach to keep up with its fullness level. Once you've eaten enough, your stomach will alert your brain and you'll feel full. The way you sit after eating can affect acid reflux and can keep it from traveling up your esophagus. After eating, try to remain sitting upright for around 2 to 3 hours before lying down. If you're having problems when you lay down later, prop your head up about 6 inches. For quick relief, pick up cinnamon-flavored gum. When you chew gum, your salivary glands pick up the paste, which can help neutralize stomach acid. On top of that, you'll swallow more and help clear the acid out of your esophagus. Lastly, choosing non-mint and non-citrus flavors ensures you don't trigger your acid reflux. Stop smoking if you are trying to rid yourself of issues with acid reflux. Many people do not know this, but smoking causes the muscles in the esophagus to relax. This can create some of the symptoms associated with acid reflux, so quit if you are trying to make things better. When your symptoms are at their worst, mix 1 teaspoon of regular baking soda with 8 ounces of water. Drink this slowly, 1 sip at a time, until your symptoms subside. Do not do this every day, as baking soda contains a great deal of sodium, which can lead to a myriad of other health problems. It is a good idea to raise the head of your bed if you have been experiencing acid reflux issues frequently. When you are lying flat, it gives the stomach contents an easier way of refluxing. You should raise the mattress about 6 to 8 inches in order to get the best results. Hopefully the tips and advice that have been discussed in this video have given you the confidence you need to close the door on acid reflux. Now is the time to put your plan into action so that you can produce the results you're looking for. Use what you have learned, and acid reflux will be waving goodbye. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.